Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, in this tutorial we're gonna crochet the tiny mini shell stitch. It's very easy for beginners. This is one side and this is the other side. It's a very easy project to do if you don't want to concentrate too much. But it's just one row repeat, very easy for you, the beginners. So this stitch works with multiples of 2 plus one more. So I chain my multiples of 2, I'm gonna chain one more. So now we're gonna skip 3 chains, first, second, third, and in the 4th chain from the hook we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 2, and we're gonna go back into the same chain where we did this single crochet and we're gonna do a single crochet. So we're gonna have 2 single crochets separated by 2 chains. Now we're gonna skip 1 chain, and in the next chain we're gonna do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and then we go back into the same chain and we do 1 more single crochet. Again we skip 1 chain, and in the next we do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, go back into the same chain and do 1 single crochet. Again we're going to skip 1 chain, and in the next chain we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and go back into the same chain and do 1 single crochet. Again we're going to skip 1 chain, and in the next we're doing the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and we go back again into the same chain and do 1 single crochet. And in the last chain we're gonna do a half double crochet. So yarn over the hook, go inside the chain, pull up a loop, and grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all these 3 loops, and then we're gonna chain 2. We're always gonna chain 2 at the end of the row. It's gonna look like this. So now from now on we're gonna work in this space where we did a single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. So you move in there, insert your hook in that space and do 1 single crochet, chain 2, and go back into the space and do a single crochet. And this is gonna be worked only in the space, the chain 2 space. So move to the next chain 2 space, do a single crochet, chain 2, go back into the space and do a single crochet. Again we move to the next chain 2 space here, go in there, do a single crochet, chain 2, and go back again into the space and do a single crochet. Move to the next chain 2 space and do a single crochet, chain 2, and we go back into the space and we do a single crochet. Okay, now we have the last space here, so we're gonna go in there, we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 2, and we go back again and do a single crochet. And now we have the chain 3 that we skipped. So we're gonna go into the second chain and we're gonna do a half double crochet. So yarn over the hook, find the second chain and do a half double crochet, then chain 2, turn your work, it's gonna look like this. So again it's gonna be this stitch is gonna be worked only inside the space. So you go into the first space, you do a single crochet, chain 2, go back again into the space and do a single crochet, move to the next 2 chain space and you do the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, and we go back again into the space and we do 1 single crochet. Again we move next to the space and we're doing the same. It's just 1 row repeat, that's it. It's very easy. I think it's a nice stitch to do a summer blanket or a scarf. It's very easy. especially for you guys, the beginners, until you get accustomed with the stitches. So the last space is here. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna do a single crochet, chain 2, go back into the space and do one more single crochet. And then again, we have that chain 2 that we have here. So you're gonna go on top of the second chain, yeah? This is the first, this is the second. Go on top of the second, hey, and do a half double crochet. Let me in, okay. Chain 2, and make this second chain a little bit loose, that it's gonna be easy to get in when you have to work in that. So again, you go into the space and you do the same. One single crochet, chain 2, go back into the space and do a single crochet, and so on. You move next to the space, you do the same. One single crochet, chain 2, go back into the space and do a single crochet, and so on. It's very easy. Well, it's a relaxing, stitch to do. You don't need to give too much thought to it. Yeah, we move next to the space, next space, we do a single crochet in there, chain 2, and again we go back into the space and do a single crochet. We reach the end and we have the last space, 2 chain space, we go in there, we do a single crochet, chain 2, and we go back again into the space and do 1 single crochet. And now we reach the chain 2, it's right here. First, second, yarn over the hook, go on top of the second chain and do a half double crochet. Again, chain 2, leave this one a little bit loose, the second one, and again you move to the first space and you work only in the space. It's gonna look like this. Yeah, it's very easy, very relaxing. If you want to do something easy, it looks nice. If you want more holes or whatever, you can work with a bigger crochet hook. I used 5.0 millimeters for this yarn, this yarn asking for 5.0, but if you want a little bit much to see the shells a little bit, you can work with a bigger one, but that is going to create some holes in it. But I think for summer it's just nice. Yeah. Okay, well, this is the mini tiny shells. Very easy for you guys, the beginners. Well, give it a try. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.